Welcome to JH. I decided to give Sefudun Varicose vein cream a try because my legs were starting to resemble a complex road map of downtown London. The first thing I noticed is that it's surprisingly lightweight and non-greasy, which is a relief since nobody actually wants their legs to feel like a buttered turkey. It absorbs into the skin almost instantly without leaving a sticky residue behind. After consistently using it for a few weeks, I've been standing since the dawn of time, feeling in my legs finally started to decrease, and the swelling actually went down. Over time, the visibility of the veins began to fade, and my skin started feeling smoother and more even, rather than looking like a topographical map of the Andes. I'm a big fan of the subtle cooling effect. It feels incredibly refreshing after a long day of pretending to be productive on my feet. It genuinely feels like it's supporting my circulation while being incredibly easy to squeeze into my daily routine. With regular use, I've definitely gained more confidence because my legs finally look and feel like they belong to a human being again.